Hey guys, in this episode we're finally going to find out if a free-flowing exhaust actually makes a difference in horsepower. We're going to put it to the test on this brand new Honda Monkey. We've run it with a standard exhaust and then we're going to run it on the free-flowing exhaust to see if it actually makes a difference in horsepower. So what we're going to do is compare the rolling road figures. We're going to set a load test to 8,000 RPM, hold the power and see what it makes. So the first on the rollers was a stock exhaust. Now it's time for our free-flowing exhaust. And if I do say so myself, it sounds bloody lovely. And there you go. So the free-flowing exhaust is actually half a horsepower more than a standard exhaust, but it looks and sounds so much better as well.
So what we learned from this test is that we've gained half a horsepower, so from 9 to sort of 9.5 horse. Doesn't sound a great amount of power increase, but percentage-wise, you'd notice that. But more importantly, second is that we know that the ECU is going to cope with the fueling. It didn't lean out at all, even on start-up. Everything worked perfectly on warm-up, cold start. Ran smooth as you like, no stutters. Obviously, only the 8,000 RPM stutter, which we know is there because that's a soft cut on the rev limiter. And lastly, the thing sounds absolutely amazing. So for me, that's a win on 2 counts, half a horse, and it's sounding beautiful now. So our next move is to try and make some form of manifold, get a 26mm carb on it, even though that's a little bit big because the port work is tiny. We only just realised the actual throttle board is only 22mm and the port and the head's only 22. So we've got a load of scope for blending that out and doing some head work. It doesn't look nice inside that inlet port at all. So that's going to be one of our videos we'll do is doing the head and also locating a better cam for it and see if we can get some form of increase again.